From the provider, Dslr, is a camera bag. Comes in a plastic protected when shipped. It is a fabric and leather-like material. With the logo and company, Dslr and One. It has zippers that opens up into the inside and protective interior and pockets. It has a carrying strap and a shoulder strap. Large compartments for your camera gear and more. It is a felt lining on the interior to protect your camera and separate areas that you could pull off the pieces. And then you could place it on by simply pressing on both sides. Zippers are all along. It's weather protected. The handle, bottom straps, buckles so you can open and close tight. Measuring with the caliper, closing the thickness. As we set up our camera bag, we have the D hooks, nice large hooks. On one side they hook on, and the opposite end as well. We have monopoles, microphone gear that can go into the slots, power banks, clamps, and your camera. When packed everything up, things close nice and easy and stored away. You have the camera strap to grab and the shoulder strap. Protection for your camera and gear. As we reopen up the bag and reset up in different ways, the two Velcro pieces, they come off and they open up, making compartments on the interior for your camera. And they are adjustable in every angle, as you can see. Simply remove and adjust, and to protect your cameras. So this way you can put your camera in one area, your clamps in the other, and anything else over there. Grab the zipper on either side and close up. With reinforced rivets, weather resistant, buckles on the bottom that you can open up, draw tight, and lock down, or release at a quick press your camera bag. Enjoy your Dslr camera bag if this is right for you for your photography and video and vlogging needs on the go. A compact and all-in-one gear bag. Thank you for viewing.